Welcome to my channel. In a previous video I will show you the frictionless spool holder, which was really very fine, but look what happened. The shaft was broken. In this video I will tell you why it was broken and how I solved the issue. As you can see, the spool holder is made of two parts. We have the spinning part here and we have the shaft. Now insert the shaft in the bearings here, allowing this part to spin freely. As long as I was using small filament spools, it was fine, it worked very well. But when I use a bigger spool like this one, which weighs 1 kilogram, the shaft was broken. It was not strong enough to hold this weight. To solve the issue, the solution is very simple. Instead of printing a full shaft like this one, I only printed the base shaft here and I left a hole in the middle with this part to insert a nut. I also printed this locking knob, this cap to hide the nut, and the spinning part. Now first thing, I insert a nut here. Like this. And now I screw the threaded shaft from the other side, like this. Okay, as you can see, it is screwed on the nut. I prefer to keep it flush. Now I can place the bearings on both sides of the spinning part. I just press them inside and here. Now I insert the shaft in the bearings and then I screw a nut here. There it is. Now my spinning part is spinning free, is moving freely. Now I can place it on the spool holder on the printer. I lock it with the knob. And now I can put this cap to hide the nut. There it is. There it is. Now it's spinning freely. Now I have a strong spool holder with a metal shaft that can bear heavy filament spool. So thank you for watching this video. Please share and like the video and subscribe to my channel for further videos. Thank you very much.